All right, it's 5:39 exactly. Got this stuff pretty frozen. First time in, tallow on everything. I'm going, oh crap, hold on. Some of this is real frozen. I'm pretty sure I set it up correctly. We're about to see, it's got the collar on. Holy crud, Justin. I'm putting full chunks in there.
Watch your hands.
I'm using it almost frozen. Oh. Auger's going. I'm using the smallest hole too. The smallest. Okay, it's got a latch thing back here I didn't put on. It's still in the box to keep this from moving. But it really, I didn't even need it if I'm just putting it in the throat. But it's going as fast as I'm putting it in pretty much. And it's at the smallest. I put everything in the freezer for about 2 hours. Oh yeah, that auger's just eating it up. Hold on, let's see how fast I can get this whole deer done. This is fucking awesome, dude. Look at it from the top in there. Going in the hole. I mean, it's just eating it up. Freezing this stuff is the way to go. There's your shoulder that you dropped in the dirt. I gotta clean that. But the rest of it I got clean. Look at this. These hard frozen pieces, that auger just grabs it and goes. We're at 3 minutes in, dude. That's it. And we're almost done with this entire dough. Not 3 minutes?
2:40.
2:40 and we're almost done with this entire dough. And I could be pushing faster, but this is without pushing the thing in at all. Without using the plunger.
Oh.
Watch this grab. It just goes. As soon as it hits that auger, it's gone. This thing is fucking amazing, dude.
Three and a half.
3.5 minutes. Oh gosh, come on. Come on. Let me
Make it
do it
by
in less
four.
than 4. A whole deer in less than 4 minutes. That's the last piece.
Except that janky shoulder.
What?
Except that
That's going to
dirty
be for the
shoulder.
dogs. Oh, wait. A little fell. That's it. Look in the auger. 3 minutes? 4 minutes?
4 minutes and 50.
All right, no. Stop it.